You're actually going to see our TC engine. Our 13-liter TC engine is the most fuel-efficient engine that Volvo offers. And the fact is, it has waste heat recovery, taking that extra heat, turning it into power and energy with our unique downspeeding to save even more fuel.
The new D13 Tc engine provides greater fuel savings across more applications. Air flows through into the engine and into the cylinder where it's compressed. Injectors spray a fine mist of fuel into the compressed air, causing it to ignite. The improved wave piston design guides the flame back to the cylinder's center for a more concentrated, efficient burn. As hot exhaust flows out, excess heat and pressure are recovered in the turbo compound unit, capturing additional power. This turbine directs the recaptured energy to a gear link, which then pushes the crankshaft, harnessing energy that would have been lost and allowing the engine to run much more efficiently. The result is a Volvo VNL with our next generation D13 Tc that's 6% more fuel efficient than our current D13 engine and up to 11% more efficient compared with 2015 model trucks.
Volvo Trucks V&L line comes in a variety of different fuel efficiency packages, each tailored to our customers' needs. This is the V&L Plus package. The V&L Plus is highly versatile, perfect for regional haul. From a cab with improved aerodynamics to a state-of-the-art powertrain, the Plus package gives you up to a 4% increase in fuel efficiency. Together with iShift transmission and IC predictive cruise control, it's a truck designed to be flexible enough to traverse both highways and urban areas. A perfect balance between fuel efficiency and performance.